One of the reasons that starting an online business is so overwhelming for many aspiring entrepreneurs is that a lot goes into getting their business going, and finding the time to do it all themselves can be very challenging. Because in most cases, you are starting off doing everything yourself and trying to divide your time between content creation, setting up your tech, generating leads, and conducting sales calls. Not to mention creating client onboarding processes, tracking your numbers, keeping your accounting straight, and so on and so on. And if you're starting off only able to commit part-time hours to your new business because you're working a day job, time management becomes monumentally important. So let me share with you what I've done in the past that may help you now. Welcome to the BBE Social Media channel. My name is Blaine Bryant, Director of Marketing and Public Relations for BBE Social Media, and the creator of the Simplex OBA program that helps aspiring entrepreneurs start their own online business in just 30 days by simplifying online business architecture. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a like below and consider subscribing to our channel and hit that notification bell so you'll never miss out on more videos like this one. So I hope that what I've done in the past will help you out if you may be struggling right now to do everything on your own. To begin, I'm going to assume that you work a day job, Monday to Friday, and have about 4 hours every night and sometime on the weekends to commit, that you've already validated your offer and have the basic tech set up to book calls and process payments already. At a bare minimum, you should have a simple client onboarding process in place as well. Now, if you're at that point and ready to begin pre-selling your course and you're following an organic outreach method to attract your students, you'll need to divide your time between creating content to attract attention and time to book calls and make sales. I would start out with creating and scheduling my Facebook and Instagram content for the coming week using Facebook Business Manager according to my organic content marketing strategy. And I do this on Friday night and during the day on Saturday. And once you get used to using a schedule for this, you'll know what content to create, when to schedule it for, and it'll only take you a few hours to set it up. Once done, this gives you the rest of the time during the week, Monday to Thursday, to divide your focus between booking calls and conducting calls to make sales. This will then give you part of Saturday and all of Sunday off. Now, once you get the hang of doing this and have gotten your first few clients, you can begin the process of hiring your first appointment setters and closers to take over the process so that you can turn your focus to delivering for your clients. Now, to do this on Friday and Saturday when you're setting everything up, add in some ads to post along with your other content to attract applicants. You can set aside one day out of your week, and I would suggest a Thursday, to contact and interview your top applicants. Once your employees are onboarded and trained, you're able to focus on creating your course content, interacting with your clients, and creating your organic marketing content, making sure to include your new clients' wins to attract more clients to your coaching program. Now, getting into a simple schedule like this helped me start my business working part-time at first. But I want to know what you think. If this is helpful, if you have any questions or thoughts on this process, leave them in the comments below. And if you'd like some help getting your coaching or consulting business launched in just 30 days, we do have some spaces left in our Simplex OBA program. Just follow the website link below and book a call with us to find out more. Until next time, my name is Blaine Bryant. I want to thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, follow us on Facebook and Instagram, and I will see you next week.